Hi, my name is Regina. I'm a physical therapist at Illinois Bone and Joint Institute, and I'm here today to show you some basic core strengthening exercises. I'm going to have you lay down for me. This exercise is called the transversus activation. For this exercise, the first step is just getting a good pattern with your breathing. I want you to breathe in through your nose and let your belly expand under your hands. Excellent. And then breathe out through your mouth and let your belly fall back down towards the table. Try a couple rounds of that. Perfect. Now for the next one, what I want you to do is take a nice deep breath in through your nose and then exhale. Good. At the end of the exhale, I want you to tighten your belly by pulling your belly button towards your spine. Do this, making sure that your rib cage doesn't expand and that you don't feel any strain in your low back. Hold that for a count of 5 and then relax. You'll start by doing a round of 10 and build up from there as you get better at using this muscle. This exercise is called the transverse activation with hip adduction. For this exercise, you can use a ball, you can roll up a towel, you can even put a pillow between your knees. What you're going to do with this exercise is breathe in through your nose, good, and then out through your mouth. At the end of the exhale, engage your core by pulling your belly button to your spine. Maintain that and then squeeze in against the ball. When you're doing this, you should feel all these muscles wake up and activate as you're holding the press in on the ball. Hold for 5 and then relax, but not enough to drop the ball. Start with a set of 10 and build up in sets of 10 as you get stronger. Transversus activation with a march. The purpose of this exercise is to be able to find and fire your lower abdominal muscles to brace or support your low back when you're doing daily activities. This activity, you're doing that, plus also loading it with moving your legs. So this is more challenging than our first 2 that we've practiced. For this exercise, I want you to breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. At the end of the exhale, engage the core by pulling belly button to spine. Make sure you keep breathing throughout this exercise. Once you've engaged the core, you're going to lift one leg up to about 90 degrees and back down. Keep the core engaged and lift your other knee up and back down. Then relax. For this exercise, it's important that as you're moving your legs, you don't have any twisting or rotating in your pelvis or your back. You should feel muscles working through here, but no pain or discomfort in your low back. Start with sets of 10, building up to 3 sets of 10 as this exercise gets easier for you.